Hi, and welcome to NAPCO's 2017 Holiday Line Showroom. I'm really excited about our new product that we have, and I can't wait to take you on a tour of all of our great themes and products for your shopping needs this season. The first theme that I want to share with you is Snowy Woods. This is a very trendy theme right now. The neutrals and the rustic, the woods, the snow, the animals, everything is really on trend. It's bringing in a lot of the snowy garlands and wreaths for that wintry cold feel. It's also bringing in a lot of the natural elements, a lot of the birches with the ice and the snow, and the contrast of the brown and the white is really great. It gives you that really rustic, natural feel. Another big component are the whimsy animals in the white. They've been great sellers for us. They're cute, and they would make a great addition to any theme in the holidays. Another big part is the wood. We're bringing in a lot of wood containers. This box set has the crystal acrylic knobs, brings that sparkle into it with the snow, gives that great contrast between rustic and elegant, as well as in the ceramics. This is a great item. It's got a little bit of glitter on the outside. It looks like it should be natural wood. We've got the birch in various, we had it in the cones, we've got the wreaths, and we've got these balls, which are great. They're a great Christmas tree accent. They are awesome to hang for decor with silks and other artificials added into them. Of course, snowballs are always fun at the holidays. These are a great seller, and we've done them in a few different varieties. We have them on the wire that's easy to control. We've also gotten the solid garland strand. And then in case you want to just fill pots or containers, we've also done them just as loose snowballs.